guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart so we can haul video for you guys. Look, my bonus is whack again. Like, Ibotta, I don't know what's up with them. They got your girl way in the back. No, not even in the hall. Nope. I'm still in the freaking parking lot. Better yet, they got me homeschooled right now because that's how I feel. My bonuses have been super duper whack. I need 15 offers for $1. And so I'm not sure if we're gonna hit that or not. We're gonna try. I don't know. No, let me just stop. We ain't gonna try. If we hit it, we hit it. If we don't hit it, we don't hit it. And so that's what I'm working with as far as my bonus. The deals haven't been really dealing a whole lot lately, but we've been able to make some things work, which is really, really cool. I kind of wanted to answer a couple questions I've been getting a lot lately, like with Walmart rewards, y'all. I have a video that pops up at the end of every single video about Walmart rewards. I'll start linking it in the description if I need to, because I hate to kind of keep repeating myself on Walmart rewards because I have videos up on it, okay? The other thing, as far as how to submit receipts to the sister apps and Checkout 51, I always do Checkout 51 first, wait for it to clear, and then do the sister apps. Now, I usually don't have any issues. I did have an issue with the ocean spray. I wanted to mention that. No matter how many times I submitted that receipt for Swagbucks, it wouldn't go through. And so I ended up returning it, but then I said, I'm just going to repurchase it again because I already had submitted it to Checkout 51. So I repurchased it and then I submitted that receipt to Swagbucks. But some of their offers work. I feel like most of the offers work out where if I do Checkout 51 first and then do the sister app, it works. But that ocean spray one didn't work for me. Puzzle book deal, that one is dead. Hopefully it does happen to reset for us on Sunday because the other magazine offers are still there. So hopefully, crossing fingers, it resets, because the coloring books at Walmart, that did work for me, which is really, really cool. The Tic Tacs at Dollar Tree, that also worked for me as well. I haven't been back to Dollar Tree, so if I go back for something, I'll do it. But if not, I'm not going to worry about it. And it was for working on the smaller bags, which were the 2.8 ounce. I think for the offer, you need like 3.0 or something like that. But it did work for the smaller bags. And so with that being said, oh, did I say subscribe? I didn't even say subscribe. I'm already 3 minutes in and I didn't even say subscribe. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the pow. Y'all, I do have a fitness channel. For me, I'll be like, girl, I have a fitness channel. Soldier Girl Shay. I've had that channel for 16, 17 years. It's an old channel. And so I do post content over there. That's always linked in the description. But if you're new here, subscribe. Definitely hit the like button. Support your girl. And with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can get into. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So we're over here starting off at the checkout. So I had to go to a different store yesterday to find more of the Butterfinger salted caramel ones. I also found the crunch there as well. So I'll pop up pictures for those two items. So the first thing that I wanted to grab again was the Butterfingers, priced at $134. It's the salted caramel one. I'm getting back $125 on Ibotta, limit of 3. I went ahead and grabbed a set for both Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta. For those of you who've been asking about Walmart rewards, I do have a video that pops up at the end of each video. I'll actually pin it for you guys, and maybe I'll actually put it in the description as well. That tells you all about Walmart rewards. I've been doing it for a long time now. I'm almost at 1,000 earned on there, which is really, really cool. And so check that out if you have any other questions about Walmart rewards. And so for the Butterfinger, it makes it 9 cents. Now, I did find the crunch again, like I said, at a different store, priced at $152, getting back $125, makes it 27 cents. Now, again, we went ahead and did a set for Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta, which is not bad. I also wanted to grab the Coca-Cola cream, orange cream. I did find the sugar-free one, which are the black top ones as well. This offer is no longer good because it was an OTC and it's already done. And so I went ahead and grabbed the last 3 yesterday. It's priced at $238. You'll scan your OTC, making it absolutely free. And again, I did get 3 on 1 transaction. All right, I have a question for y'all. Am I wrong? I was over there weighing all these bags, and why was they dead as like none of them was close to 3 pounds? They was like 221, 215. Am I wrong for putting a couple extra apples in my bag to make it three? Because I don't think I am, but I feel like if the camera saw me, they'd probably be like, what the f she doing? But anyways, look, so I'm gonna grab this fresh craving salsa priced at $3.43. This is a social nature offer that popped up again. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, making this absolutely free. All right, so this next deal is on the Tabasco salsa. It's priced at $3.74. I'll pop up who I saw post this deal. It's probably either Nicole or Savannah. It's priced at $3.74, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1.60 in shop kicks as well, making that 64 cents with a limit of 5. All right, guys, so this deal here is on the Wonder pastries. I didn't even know they had these here. I went all the way to the other store thinking they didn't have them here, and they do. And I would have loved to try these honey buns because, you know, I loves me some honey buns. But I went to the other store and they had the cinnamon, what was it called? Cinnamon twist, I think. I don't see them here. They were priced at $2.48 though. Getting back two different offers on Fetch, 70 cents and 40 cents, limit of 2. And then 75 cents on Ibotta makes it 63 cents. I'm so mad. I wanted to try these. I know I don't need them in my life, but I wanted to try them in my life. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they do have the cinnamon twist. They're up here. See, I went always to another store and I got these. Don't ask me why I'm looking at the calories. 100 calories per roll. So I could eat the whole pack, the 600 calories. I told you guys, these perfect bars are my new favorite. And when I got the mini ones for, what is it, Flavor Wiki, it did work. And I have been absolutely loving these. And the mini ones are perfect size, like absolutely perfect. What I'm going to grab again is going to be the Too Good yogurt. These are priced at $1.38, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. Makes them 88 cents each. I'm just going to grab 4 because that's all I need to finish my bonus. And so, yeah. Okay, next up is the Kinder Light, priced at $3.98. This is a free offer on Social Nature. I've had this offer for a hot minute, and I'm just getting around to doing it because I think it's going to be expiring soon. So, yeah. All right, next up is the Beech Nut. It's on the chicken ones. Well, the meat ones, they're priced at $2.28. It's a free offer on Social Nature. And then we also have 50 cents on Ibotta. So it makes it a 50-cent money maker. For the little Brainiacs, I guess this store doesn't carry them. They're also priced at $2.28. Getting that back on Social Nature makes it absolutely free if you can find it in your area. Next up is the Pedigree Drizzlers. They're priced at 84 cents. For this, you want to grab 2. We do have a buy one, get one free OTC offer. I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. You'll pay 70 cents and you'll get back 84 cents on Fetch Reward. There's also, I think, an offer still on Shopkick as well, making it a little bit cheaper. And so right, next up is the Snuggle Sheets. The 40 count is priced at $187. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also Shopkick offers as well, making it a little cheaper. I want to say like 3 cents, which is cool. That's if you're doing. I'm not doing. It's on the Snuggle Softener, the Blue Sparkle. It's on the smaller bottle. This bottle used to be 40 ounces, now it's 39.4 ounces. But it's priced at $4.77. I do think there are still $2 hang tags. If you have, you'll pay $2.77. We have $1 back on Ibotta, and there's also Shopkick offers as well, making it even cheaper. Look, you guys, they have more colors. I think these are so freaking cute. They're plastic. These are so darn cute. But look, they have different colors now. I like the peach. I like all the colors, to be honest. I'm gonna get more cups, but we don't need this stuff right now. And last time I came, I got 4 more of these. And so, yeah. You gotta love these. Like, what home doesn't have these 50-cent cups and bowls? Like, they get messed up, just throw them away and come get another one. All right, guys, so here's this deal again on the dial. Henso priced at 134. I've been scanning them and it looks like most of them are working. Well, the ones that are cheaper are working. I think last time I was only getting this one here. I'm getting back 50 cent on Ibotta. Makes it like 88 cents, I want to say. 84 cents, somewhere in there. With a limit of 2. And so, yeah. The last deal that we're getting is on the Colgate toothbrushes. It's on the foaming clean ones. They're priced at $5.22. This offer popped back up on Ibotta for $4 back. Went ahead and grabbed one for Ibotta, one for Walmart Rewards, making them only $1.22 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. This is not what you expect to see when you're in the clearance aisle at the Walmart. I was like, what the heck? Like, what the heck? There's nothing here. Absolutely nothing. Like, why even have a clearance aisle if you ain't got nothing on clearance? Wait, what are these? Yeah. 75%, 50% on Easter clearance. They ain't got nothing over here though. I was expecting to see some stuff. I was at a different store yesterday and found some Tupperware containers for like $1, so I grabbed those. But yeah, this is sucky, 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 sucky. Oh my god. It's a desert over here. In need of water. Anyways, see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I did have a cost though, right? It did cost me $7. The only thing that saved me though is cashing out for the 5% back through PayPal. So if you're signed up to the 5% back when you use your PayPal card, then you get 5% back in whichever category you decide. I chose grocery, and so I've been cashing out for that. And I've already made a little over $19 so far this month. Last month I made $24, which is cool, and that comes in handy. So if you're not signed up with that, go to the app and sign up. I think you click account and then you go to rewards, I believe. Or actually, once you click account, it should pop up on that screen right there and you choose your category. Every month you have to choose a new category. And so I've been absolutely loving that. It's just been an extra little bonus at the end of the day. And I think I actually have 3 receipts that are still processing, the 16th and the 17th. So hopefully that'll process soon, but everything else has been going through. Just those 3 are pending. I don't know why. And so that's the only thing that saved me for this haul. Other than that, it all worked out pretty good. I did do Walmart Rewards for the Butterfinger, the Crunch, and the Colgate. Now with Walmart Rewards, whenever I do deals that are the same for Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, I activate the offers through the Walmart app first, making sure that the ones that I'm getting qualify, because you have to double check and scan it, because sometimes certain flavors or scents or whatever don't qualify. And so always scan it first to make sure. I do that transaction first. I always scan the QR code on the register. It gives you the option to print the receipt. You don't have to put money in there like you did before to get a receipt, which is cool. And once it hits my Walmart app, which it pretty much does it right away, I got back the $11.50. And then I automatically do my next transaction, which is Ibotta offers, and I roll it into the next transaction. So that's pretty much how I do it. I roll it like right into Ibotta offers. And that's been working out really good for me. I don't use the card on file. I just scan the QR code instead. I just feel like it's faster for me. And so everything worked out good. I hit my little bonus, which I wasn't necessarily trying to, but I am down to my last yogurt, so I figured why not? I'm gonna grab it anyways. And so that's kind of why I went ahead and just hit it anyways, right? And so with that being said, everything you see here retails $54.47. We had $7.14 in coupons, which are for the Coke, the OTC coupons. And like I said in the video, I did use 3 on 1 transaction. They all scanned perfectly fine. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $47.33, and then getting back $16.60 from Ibotta. Walmart Rewards was $11.50. Social Nature $9.74, and Vegetable War was $2.20. Getting back a total of $40.04 makes this a net cost of $7.29. But cashing out the $19.78 from PayPal It does still make this a $12 moneymaker, $12.49, but that's only because I cashed out from PayPal for the 5%, which is literally extra money. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me see in the comments, let me see a tomato. Let me see some tomatoes in the comments if you get to the end. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.